Hello creatives, today we want to design a ginger product mockup on our Android smartphone like this. Come back to the channel, and the first thing is to open your Pixellab. So when you open your Pixellab, you have the interface looking this way. I'll go straight away to delete this text. Alright, so please, if you are coming across our channel for the first time, subscribe so that you won't be left out whenever we drop new content. I'm going to proceed now to settings here to arrange my background setting. So I'm going to get it to give it a width of 1200 and a height of 1700. Take note. Alright, take note for these details. So this is the size arrangement for this our packaging ginger powder packaging design. I'm going to proceed to my background setting, then I click on color and give it a white color. Next, I'm going to import a ginger powder. So I have a heap, this heap image of ginger powder. Don't worry about this. I'm going to leave the link to get these resources on the description below. Kindly check it to grab the resources. So I'm going to increase it further, then I place it here. All right, so use a relative position to tack it to the middle. Now you want to go to shapes. Okay, just go to shapes, and we're going to create a rectangle. Then we're going to go to color and give it an orange color. So I have something like this. Make it long enough and use relative position to tack it to the middle. Once we have that, then we can even increase it a little bit. All right, good. Now we can go to text now. Double tap to write. So it's ginger powder, which is something natural. So we want to write 100% natural. All right, 100% natural, in order to make it more attractive. The color composition for this 100% natural should be green. So I'm giving it a green color. But then you want to go to your fonts and give it Montserrat semi-bold. So I want to make it with Montserrat semi-bold. Then you can reduce the size and use your relative position to tack it to the middle. Then you can position it closer to this shape. Good. Now you want to go to text again, double tap to write pure ginger powder. So this is a pure ginger powder design, packaging design. Then you want to give this a white color. Give it a white color. Go to your fonts. This time around I want to go with Montserrat. I want to go with Montserrat bold. All right, I want to go with Montserrat bold. I'm choosing Montserrat bold in order to make it more visible. Then you can go to alignment and give it the middle alignment. Compress the paragraph to make it fall into 2 lines. Reduce the size a little bit. Okay, then for hierarchy's sake, let's reduce the size of this also as well. Use relative position to control everything. Okay, good. Now click back on this text, go to line spacing and reduce the line spacing up to about -10. And you can click OK to continue. Good. So we still have some other elements that I want us to bring. So with me here I have this other ginger element. Like I said before, I'm going to leave the link to get these resources on the description below this video. Kindly check it out. Okay, so I'm still going to bring in another ginger powder element. You reduce the size considerably and position it here. this one. All right, so that we have something like this. Good. Now what are some of the benefits of this ginger powder? All right, so we want to include it. I want to do that by first of all bringing in a shape on shapes. Then you go to color, make it the same green color, reduce the size, tap on relative position to plumb it to the middle of your design. Then you can go to text. Alright, so let's copy back this text. Let's copy this text, double tap to edit and write health benefits. So I want to get the health benefits. Then let's make it white. Then you want to reduce the size of this so that it fits well into the shape. So just reduce the size, reduce, and use relative position to make it fall on the middle of the design interface. So I have health benefits. Now we want to go to text and enter a new text. So I'm just going to put this, and the first health benefit is that it's a superfood. Next is that it's gluten free, and of course ginger powder is an important antioxidant. So I have these health benefits all listed, and I'm going to bring it down here into the design, but then I want to give it a black color. Alright, or we can even sample a color from alright, I think the black is okay, so black is fine. Now let's go to font, and on font I want to give it a normal Montserrat. Remember, we are working with the Montserrat font family here. I want to give it Montserrat medium. I can reduce the size this way. Alright, so go to your alignment and use the middle alignment. It should be a middle kind of alignment. Then go back to your relative position and tack it to the middle, so it should fall on the middle of your design. Okay, good. So with this, it's a wrap on the packaging design, but don't go yet. We are going to save this work, then we proceed. So once you are done designing your packaging on the Pixellab, all you need to do is to save your work, and then you proceed to your Chrome browser on the Mockup Bro website, Mockup Bro. Okay, on Mockup Bro website to mock up your design, your packaging design. So we are first of all going to save this. Right, when you save, you proceed to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to save this. The image format should be PNG, and the dimension should be ultra. You save to your gallery this way. So as I do that, I'm now going to go to my Chrome browser. Alright, just tap on your Google Chrome browser, click on it, and as you click on it, go to the search bar and write Mockup Bro. So you see you have Mockup Bro. This is the site where we are going to generate this product packaging markup. So I'm going to click on it, then I click the first result. Alright, so I'm just going to come up here to the 3 lines that you can see. Just click on those 3 lines and you will see packaging. Okay, so click on packaging and you see different types of packaging mockups, but the one we want to use is this one. Okay, so just click on this one, the chips back mockup. Okay, you can see the name here, chips back mockup. So I'm going to click on it, then scroll downward, come to upload where you see upload. Okay, click on upload, Then you choose the file, you choose the design from the design you just did on your Pixellab. We're going to choose it. This is it. As you can see, it's fitted well properly. If it is not, then you can always see this zoom button. This zoom button here is to help you crop it, but in this case we don't need any zooming because the design is actually a perfect fit into the size of the mockup. So I'm going to take on crop and continue. Take crop and continue. Now look up here, it has already mockup. Can you see the effect? Now we have a nice awesome product mockup, but I don't like this background, this plain background. So look at where I'm going to change the background. Here you can see background, then here also you have this other icon. Just click on it. Okay, just click on it on background and it will take you to Unsplash. Unsplash is another powerful website for stock images. So I'm going to click on search Unsplash. I'm going to write, since this product mockup is of ginger, I'm just going to write ginger. Alright, so let's just write ginger and we'll see the effect. Okay, when you write ginger, you take on go. So we are going to see the effect. Search for ginger. You see ginger element? You see? Can you see the effect? We have lots and lots of ginger elements. So I think I choose this one in my design. And when you choose it, anyone that you like, you take on select. All right, so remember, when choosing the background, it should be related to what you are working on. My design is my product design is for ginger, so that's why I search for ginger element. So I'm going to click select. Now you can see the effect. It looks awesome, right? I guess so. So with this, it's a wrap on the product packaging, the pure ginger powder product packaging design on your Pixellab, and mocking it up on this website, Mockup Bro. On this Mockup Bro website, this is the website here. Take note of it. But then I'm going to still leave the name in the description below. Check it out. I hope we learned one or two things, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more beautiful content. Thank you so much and God bless you. But before I go, don't forget to download your work. Alright, so I almost forgot that. Always click here to download. Alright, so just click down here, scroll down, you see download. We click on download, it's downloading. Alright, so they're asking me to download again. I don't want to download it again because I already did. So this is just how you can do it on your Android smartphone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel.